Hi, this is Osama Al-Amrani. I'm a grade 9 student at Al-Nada Modern School in Sana'a, Yemen. Today I will talk about the kidney as well as the male and female reproductive systems. Ever wondered how the intricate systems of your body function? Welcome to our exploration of the remarkable human anatomy. In this journey we'll delve into the details of the kidney, our body's filter powerhouse. We'll also uncover the complexities of the male reproductive system and reveal the wonders of the female reproductive system. These are chapters of a story that is nothing short of a masterpiece of nature. Fasten your seatbelts of curiosity, folks. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of human anatomy. You may not think about your kidneys often, but they play a vital role in your body. Tucked quietly away in the lower back are two bean-shaped organs that tirelessly work 24/7 to filter your blood and remove toxins. Yes, you guessed it right. We're talking about your kidneys. These vital organs, each roughly the size of a computer mouse, have a pretty sophisticated setup that enables them to perform their critical roles. Let's delve deeper into the anatomy of the kidneys. The outermost layer, lovingly called the renal cortex, has a reddish-brown hue and a smooth texture. It's in this layer that the initial stages of blood filtration happen, leading to the formation of urine. Inside the renal cortex, we find the renal medulla, a darker, reddish-purple inner region. This area is composed of 12 to 18 cone-shaped renal pyramids, where the bulk of urine formation occurs. These pyramids point towards the renal pelvis, a funnel-shaped space that collects the urine produced by the renal cortex and medulla before it's sent down to the bladder via the ureters. Now, let's talk about the real heroes of the kidneys, the nephrons. These tiny structures, numbering approximately 1 million per kidney, are the functional units that do the actual work of filtering the blood, removing waste products, and balancing the levels of electrolytes in your body. Each nephron is a complex system of tiny blood vessels and tubules where the magic of filtration, reabsorption, and secretion happens. The kidneys also have a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. They regulate the body's salt, potassium, and acid content, as well as blood pressure. Not to forget, they also produce erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates the production of red blood cells. And let's not overlook the fact that they convert vitamin D into its active form, which is essential for bone health. In a nutshell, the kidneys are like a super efficient waste management and regulatory system, working round the clock to ensure that your body functions smoothly. They filter out the bad stuff, keep the good stuff, and maintain a balance in your body that's nothing short of a marvel of nature. So, whether you're studying medicine or just curious about how your body works, it's worth giving a thought to these hard-working organs that play such a crucial role in our health and well-being. So, that's a quick look at our kidneys, the incredible filters of the human body. Moving on, let's uncover the complex workings of the male reproductive system. This system, much like an intricate network, is designed for one primary purpose: the creation of life. It's a fascinating journey, so buckle up as we delve into the details. Let's start with the testes, two oval organs located in the scrotum, the sac of skin hanging under the penis. The testes are the real heavy lifters in the male reproductive system. They produce sperm and the male sex hormone testosterone. Each testis is packed with tiny coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules, where sperm is produced. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Next up is the vas deferens, a long muscular tube that transports mature sperm to the urethra, the tube that carries urine or sperm to outside of the body. The vas deferens is like a superhighway for sperm, propelling them forward with smooth muscle contractions. Now, that's efficient. Then we have the prostate gland and seminal vesicles, two key players in the production of seminal fluid, the substance that combines with sperm to form semen. The prostate gland, located just below the bladder, contributes a slightly alkaline fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm. The seminal vesicles, on the other hand, produce a sugar-rich fluid that provides sperm with the energy they need for their journey. It's teamwork at its finest. Finally, we reach the penis, the external part of their male reproductive system. It's made up of three parts: the root, the body, and the glands. The penis has two main roles: to carry sperm and urine from the body, and to play a vital role in sexual intercourse. Inside the penis are two chambers called the corpora cavernosa, which fill with blood to cause an erection. It's a sophisticated piece of machinery, to say the least. Now let's not forget that all these parts work together in a beautifully choreographed dance. From the production of sperm in the testes to their journey along the vas deferens, to the creation of seminal fluid in the prostate gland and seminal vesicles, and finally, to their delivery via the penis. It's a complex process, but one that's crucial to the continuation of life. And that sums up the male reproductive system, an intricate network designed for the creation of life. Lastly, we'll explore the female reproductive system, a marvel of nature. Our journey begins with the ovaries, two almond-sized organs nestled on either side of the uterus. They are the guardians of the female's genetic material, housing approximately 2 million immature eggs at birth. However, by the time of her first menstruation, only about 400,000 remain. Each month, under the influence of hormones, a single egg matures and is released into the fallopian tube in a process known as ovulation. The fallopian tubes, two delicate structures extending from the ovaries to the uterus, serve as the meeting place for egg and sperm. They are lined with tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which help guide the egg on its journey. If fertilization occurs, the fertilized egg or zygote travels down the tube and into the uterus. Now, let's turn our attention to the uterus, a structure often likened to an inverted pear. It's here where the zygote implants and grows into a fetus. The uterus's walls are muscular and elastic, designed to accommodate the growing fetus and contract during labor to help deliver the baby. Within the uterus, the endometrium, a nutrient-rich lining, prepares each month for the possible implantation of a zygote. If fertilization doesn't occur, the endometrium is shed in a process known as menstruation, marking the start of a new menstrual cycle. The vagina, a muscular canal extending from the cervix to the external part of the female genitalia, serves as the birth canal during labor. It's also involved in menstruation and sexual intercourse. Its walls are lined with mucous membranes, which keep it protected and moist. Now let's delve into the menstrual cycle, a roughly 28-day cycle, although it can vary from woman to woman. It's broken down into two main phases, the follicular phase and the luteal phase. During the follicular phase, levels of estrogen rise, stimulating the growth of the egg and the thickening of the endometrium. Around the middle of the cycle, a surge in luteinizing hormone triggers ovulation, and the mature egg is released. The second half of the cycle, the luteal phase, begins after ovulation. The ruptured follicle develops into a structure called the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone. This hormone prepares the endometrium for the potential implantation of a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum disintegrates, progesterone levels drop, and the endometrium is shed, marking the start of menstruation and a new cycle. However, if fertilization does occur, the embryo implants into the endometrium, and the cycle of life begins anew. The female reproductive system is a beautifully complex system, carefully regulated by hormones and intricate feedback mechanisms. It's a system designed to protect, nourish, and carry life, playing a crucial role in the survival of our species. That concludes our tour of the female reproductive system, a remarkable system designed for the miracle of birth. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some fascinating aspects of human anatomy. We began our journey with the kidney, that essential organ responsible for filtering waste from our bodies. We delved into its intricate structure, exploring how it accomplishes this vital task with the help of nephrons, the microscopic functional units that filter our blood. We then turned our attention to the male reproductive system, shining a light on its complex network of organs and glands that work together to produce, store, and transport sperm. We talked about the testes, vas deferens, and the prostate gland, among other components. Next, we ventured into the realm of the female reproductive system, understanding the structures that play a pivotal role in ovulation, fertilization, and pregnancy. We touched on the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and the vagina. Remember, understanding your body can help you keep it healthy. Until next time, keep exploring.